Welcome to our video on how upgrading to a newer version of Infor XA can benefit your manufacturing business. Discover how AI capabilities can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making in your operations. Infor XA ERP systems are essential for managing complex manufacturing environments. By upgrading, you can better integrate AI, allowing for more accurate data management and analysis, which is crucial for optimizing your business processes. Predictive maintenance is a game changer for manufacturers. With AI and Infor XA, you can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and repair costs, and ensuring your machines operate at peak efficiency. Supply chain optimization is another area where AI shines. By upgrading Infor XA, you can leverage AI to forecast demand, assess supplier risks, and optimize logistics, ensuring a smoother and more efficient supply chain. AI-driven quality control can significantly enhance product standards. Infor XA integrates with AI systems to detect defects in real time, improving accuracy and ensuring only the highest quality products reach your customers. Automating routine tasks with AI can free up valuable time for your workforce. Infor XA supports AI-driven automation, allowing you to streamline operations like order processing and production scheduling, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. AI can also aid in better decision-making by analyzing vast amounts of data. Upgrading Infor XA allows you to harness AI insights, uncovering trends and opportunities that can drive strategic decisions and improve overall business performance. Infor XA scalability and flexibility make it ideal for future AI innovations. By upgrading, you ensure your business can easily integrate new AI tools, staying ahead of the competition and driving continuous improvement in your manufacturing operations. Visit our website today for a free assessment.